Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to demonstrate how you can communicate or establish a communication using SSL between two systems irrespective of their operating systems. So in this tutorial we will using a software on both client side and server side. Its name is NCAT. Let me show you. So it is the website. You must download this software in your both server machine and your client machine. So now let's get started. I am choosing this Linux system as my listening server. So type the command. This command will install the NCAT software. As I have already installed, so it is showing this result. Now the next command is that you type dash dash SSL dash LP. Now I must tell you what does this command do. Is it right? Yes. This command actually opens port 4443 and start listening for any incoming connections. So now let's execute. So and I must tell you that I am choosing my Windows machine as my client. So after installing NCAT on Windows machine, I will open CMD and type uh, to choose my server IP. Type the command ifconfig on your Linux, and in Windows you can type ipconfig. So type the command in cat 192.8.31.249. Yes. Now type the port number on which you have opened it for listening the incoming connections on the server. Type SSL so that we can establish a secure encrypted connection so that no one can read our messages or traffic or communication, or in technical terms traffic, through applications such as Wireshark. So this SSL is basically an encryption. Now an advanced version has also come. Its name is TLS. Generally in your general life you will see uh, TLS slash SSL. So that's an off topic. So I will execute this command. So now the connection has been established. I will write hello, I am server, and as you can see here the server has sent its message, and I can also send any message to my server. So so as you can see the demonstration has been successful, and all these messages or the communication which we have done is encrypted with SSL. To close to close the communication, or if you want to exit, please press Ctrl+C in this, and in Linux and in Windows you can also press Ctrl+C. Yes. um, so this was the tutorial on how you can communicate using SSL encryption, or how you can establish communication between two systems using SSL encryption. And I think that you all must have doubt in what is SSL encryption. This I have found a very good article on what is SSL encryption. SSL, or secure layer socket, is an encryption based in internet security protocol. It was first developed by Netscape in 1995 for the purpose of privacy authentication and data integrity in internet communication. SSL is a predecessor. This was the thing I was talking about. Predecessor to modern TLS encryption used today, but still, SSL is a good encryption if you want to test for demonstrate version purpose. Otherwise, there are various protocols such as SSH, which are much more secured. Or if you want to go much higher encryption, you can go to AES. Um, that is off topic. Let's not talk about that. So it is a very good article you can read. Um, Here is the link. So guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to this channel, share this video, um, share your thoughts about this video. Um, what are your thoughts on this video, and like this video. So thank you.